Nigiri sushi is made by placing sushi toppings on vinegared rice and gently pressing them together. Traditional sushi craftsmanship emphasizes enhancing the flavor of each ingredient through careful preparation. Methods like marinating, curing, and searing transform the delicate flavors of seafood in many ways, delighting the diner's palate. In this video, I'll introduce one such variation of nigiri sushi. There are many types of miso, such as blended miso, red miso, or dashi miso. Each type brings its unique characteristics to the dish, so feel free to choose based on your preference. Start by combining miso, sugar, and mirin in a bowl. When mixing solids with liquids, adding the liquid gradually can help prevent lumps. Begin with a small amount of liquid, mix until smooth, and then incorporate the rest. Spread a layer of the prepared miso mixture evenly on a tray. Place the salmon on top, then coat the remaining surface of the salmon with the miso mixture, ensuring it's fully covered. Let it marinate in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. The longer it marinates, the deeper the flavor will penetrate, so adjust the timing to your liking. Slice the salmon into pieces suitable for nigiri. Prepare sushi rice and form it into small portions. For presentation, you can tie the salmon to the rice with a strip of seaweed. Feel free to arrange it in your own style. Plate as desired and it's ready to enjoy. Subscribe the channel for the series of professional tutorials and more practical ideas.